Hello, today we're going to be going over how to save your Google Doc as a PDF. There are several advantages to saving a document as a PDF. Number one, I would say, is graphic integrity. Saving your document as a PDF protects the display, and no matter what device this is viewed on, it'll have the exact same content and layout. So if somebody is opening on their phone, if they're opening it on their iPad, if they're opening it on a tablet, if they're opening it on a computer, it's always going to look the same, even if they may not be using Google Docs, if they don't have Microsoft Word, etc. It's always going to look the same, and the person viewing it will have no option or availability to make any changes, delete anything off of it, etc. It's basically a protected image of your document instead of a copy of the document itself. With that being said, now that I have my document in front of me and open in Google Docs, I'm going to go over to the top left and click File, scroll down to Download, and select PDF document. This is going to pull up a window and ask me where I want to save it, and I usually like to save things on my desktop in a specific folder that I've already created, and I'm going to put it right in whichever folder I'd like. And there we go. Now it's downloaded for me as a PDF. That's it.